Hi everyone, Imran here with another video on how to fix iPhone is disabled. Connect to iTunes. I have iPhone 12 Pro Max, but you can use the same method for all iPhones including the iPhone 14, 13 and older models. Now first of all you need to connect your phone to PC and boot into recovery mode. For that you need to press volume up once, volume down, and now keep holding the power button until your phone turns off and then boot into recovery mode. Now keep holding the power button. Now as you can see the screen turns black. Now keep holding until you see the recovery. Now as you can see your phone is now connected in recovery mode. Producing these tutorials takes a lot of efforts and time. For encouragement, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now when you connect your phone to PC, iTunes will give you a message to restore your phone. Now when you click to restore, it will download the right firmware for your phone. But I don't use that because that takes a lot of time and sometimes freezes, so I will use a third-party website to download the official firmware with faster download speeds to save some time. So IPSW.me, link is given in the description. Now here you will select your phone model. Mine is iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I will choose that. Now select the latest firmware, whatever is available at that time. Now right click, I have already installed IDM. If you don't have, then simply click on download button and it will download it in the browser. Rest of the process is simple once completed. Now I have already downloaded the firmware, so I will switch to iTunes now. Make sure your phone is still connected to PC in recovery mode. Now as you can see, iTunes is asking you just to show you. Now restore and update, and it will again download the firmware. Hold the shift key and click on restore iPhone, select the firmware and click restore. Now it will prepare your iPhone for restore, and at this point your phone will reboot and start flashing the firmware. At this point we are almost done. iTunes will flash the firmware and it can take up to 15 minutes depending on your PC and phone, while the iTunes complete the process for you. So we are almost done. Once done, your phone will reboot and again take around 2 to 3 minutes to optimize your device in apps for the first boot. So once done, you will go to the setup screen where you choose language, country and connect to a Wi-Fi network where you agree to terms and conditions. And if your phone is logged with iCloud account, then you need to enter the iCloud credentials and rest. If you don't have, then you can normally set up your phone. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.